A random sample of Year 12 students was undertaken for which the 90% confidence interval for the proportion of students who plan to go to university after finishing Year 12 was determined to be 0.54 to 0.82. We want to determine P hat, E and N. Well, P hat will be exactly in the middle. So what we need to do is just simply average 0.54, 0.82, divide that by 2, and that gives us that P hat is, so 0.54, add 0.82, let's divide that by 2, and it gives us 0.68. Now, E is the margin of error. So if we just do 0.82, take away 0.68, it tells us how much we've gone up from 0.68 to get to the end of the confidence interval. So 0.82, take away 0.68, 0.14. Now for N, what we need to think about is the fact this is 90%. If I just go back and change this one to 0.9, it's 1.645, isn't it? Yep, 1.645. So we know that 1.645 multiplied by the square root of 0.68 multiplied by 1 take away 0.68. So 1 take away 0.68, 0.32 over n, we know that that gives us 0.14. So we just need to solve that. So solve 1.645 times the square root of 0.68 times 0.32 divided by x is equal to 0.14. That gives me 30. So we're going to say n equals 30. And now we want a 95% confidence interval based on the same survey. So we're going to have 0.68 take away, now what we need is the 95 z-score value. So let's just go back up here, 0.95, and that's let's call it 1.96. So it's going to be 1.96 multiplied by the square root of 0.68 times 0.32, and we'll divide that by 30, and 0.68 plus 1.96 multiplied by the square root of 0.68 times 0.32 divided by 30. So 0.68 multiplied by 1.96, not multiplied by, take away, this one's the multiply, and then we've got the square root of 0.68 times 0.32 over 30. That gives us 0.513, and then all we need to do is go back and just change that minus there to a plus, execute again, 0.847.